that today I should begin with Bahadur Shah Zafar, but then later I came to the conclusion that it would be better describing the present situation if I begin with Kalidas. कालिदास रघुवंश के पंचम सर्ग में लिखते हैं कि राजा रघु सब कुछ दान करके गरीब हो गए, उनके पास कुछ नहीं बचा। तो कह रहे हैं जो आपकी स्थिति ये है वो सबसे अच्छी और आदर्श स्थिति है। जैसे कि देवताओं द्वारा पिए जाते हुए चंद्रमा की कलाओं का क्षय उसकी वृद्धि से ज्यादा श्रेयस्कर होता है। कालिदास का श्लोक है, स्थाने भवाने कनराधिपः सन् अकिंचनत्वं मखजं व्यनक्ति परयाय पीतस्य सुरैर्हिमांशो कलाक्षय श्लाघ्यतरो हि वृद्धि। मतलब इसका ये है कि प्राप्ति से बेहतर त्याग होता है। और आज मैं आपका समय अपने बारे में बात करके या अपने नेता श्री शरद पवार के बारे में बात करके नहीं नष्ट करूंगा, वो तो सब किताबों में लिखा हुआ है, मीडिया में है। लेकिन जीवन में राजनीति के 50 वर्ष पूरे करने के बाद 1968 जब 10वीं में पढ़ता था तब पहला प्रदर्शन किया, आज 2018 है। लेकिन मुझे वो दिन याद आता है सभापति जी जब मुझे 4.5 महीने भूमिगत संघर्ष करने के बाद इमरजेंसी में लाल किले के में जांच के बाद तिहाड़ ले जाया गया, तो सुबह 4:30 बजे वहां मेरा स्वागत करने वाले व्यक्ति आज इस सदन के नेता हैं श्री अरुण जेटली, जिन्होंने 4 बजे कहा आ गए, बहुत देर से इंतजार था, बैठो बैठो। तो ऐसा साथ रहा है। मैं आप सभी का आभारी हूं, अध्यक्ष महोदय, उपसभापति कुरियन साहब का, तमाम नेताओं का। समय बचाने के लिए नाम नहीं ले रहा हूं। बट व्हाट आई हैव टू स्पीक टुडे आफ्टर लर्निंग क्वाइट अ लॉट फ्रॉम दिस ऑगस्ट हाउस is to make a critical examination of our role, what we have been able to do, what we have not been able to do. Because the great Swedish poet Thomas Tranströmer, who got the Nobel Prize for Literature, his one sentence is very relevant when you analyze the functioning of this house and Parliament in general in democracy. Truth needs no furniture. This is the sentence. At times, truth is bare and stark. Why I say this? In the last 6 years, roughly 48% of the time of the House during all these sessions that I have said was wasted in disruption. Disruption as a kind of a semi-permanent strategy should not be allowed. Look at the House of Commons, there is no adjournment for a single day. House of Lords, it is unimaginable. We have to make certain arrangements for that. Mr. Chairman, sir, those who do not enter the well should be looked after well by you. Yes. Second point is that in the last 6 years, the women's issues have not been discussed seriously.
Not discussed at all.
And you just pointed out that women members are merely 11.7%. Why we cannot give more time to them when they are speaking? Then I have a couple of suggestions about certain subjects which have not been discussed at all. They are not discussed. That is judiciary. I gave 2 notices. We never discussed judiciary. Why are we so shy of discussing judiciary in general? Media. Then there is another point. In a country where Kam Sutra was written and Vatsyayan was described as a rishi, Ajanta, Ellora and Khajuraho and all, Parliament has never discussed sex in a dignified and decent way. Why we are scared? There are two great leaders of India, Mahatma Gandhi, who discussed sex in his own way, Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia. He is the last who discussed and wrote about sex, especially in association with women's rights. लोहिया जी का प्रसिद्ध लेख है, लोहिया रचनावली खंड 5 में पढ़ लीजिए, यौन शुचिता और नर नारी संबंध, ये लेख. According to one study, in the next 5 years about 1 million young Indians are going to die of sexual diseases, and the Parliament is scared of discussing this. Why? I admire two members of both houses, one Shri Rajiv Gowda of this house and Shri Shashi Tharoor of Lok Sabha, who tried to raise these questions. These are important matters.
Tripathi ji, time please.
Well, let him speak. Let him speak.
Now, I will not take much time. However, I will certainly talk about this August House. When I think of these 50 years of my life, I got to learn many things in this House and affection of many leaders of the country, which is now written in books from, Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee to, after all, I had the privilege of being cellmate of Nanaji Deshmukh for few days, and then we were together. So many during the emergency, and then after the emergency, I got so much affection of Rajiv Gandhi, Jyoti Basu, Harkishan Singh Sujit, Chandrasekhar ji, kitna naam gina hai, sabhi netaon ka wo mila. That is because of democracy runs on the basis of a human relationship. That is what is most important in a democracy. And in a democracy, and in Parliament especially, the government should have its way, but opposition must have its say. That is very important. I will just point out about when I felt that was the best day, though this was during a tragedy, which was my best day in Rajya Sabha. That was in 2013, 23rd of August. When this House unanimously passed condolence resolution about Narendra Dabholkar, the great rationalist who was murdered by obscurantist forces. He was killed on 20th August 2013. And I'm grateful to the then leader of the opposition, who is now leader of the House, Shri Arun Jaitley, and then the treasury benches, we all, UPA, especially the Congress party, that everybody unanimously, editorials were written in national press about my role as coordinating this. That was the best. Which was the saddest? Saddest was there was a debate about beauty in this House. Some wrong words were used perhaps, so I wanted to take it to a higher level and quoted Kalidas. Some of the lady members who are now, one of them is on the treasury benches, they say, stop this discussion. It is gender bias. How can quoting Kalidas become gender bias? Then you cannot quote Valmiki, you cannot quote any poet, Homer or anyone, Ghalib, anyone. So today, that will be my last point, talking about beauty, because I'm going to end with the beauty of Rajya Sabha, how it comes. So there are two dimensions of poetry which come to my mind now about beauty. One is, of course, from Ramcharitmanas of Tulsidas. When Ram looks at Sita for the first time, what he thinks Sita is. And Tulsidas writes, Sundarata kah sundar karai, chhabi grih deep sikha jimi marai. She makes beauty more beautiful, as if a lamp is lit in the room full of paintings. That's beauty, making beauty more beautiful. And the last, which is written in Sanskrit, Kshane kshane yan namatam upayati tadeva rupam ramaniyata. One that acquires newness at every moment is beauty. And Rajya Sabha acquires newness every 2 years. New members come, so I wish all the best for the new members, that beauty. Finally, Mr. Chairman, sir, I continue to serve the country and the nation. I will be failing in my duty if I don't say that how our party takes decisions. We had one seat in Maharashtra. We collectively decided we will give it to a woman this time. Then we decided that let us renominate Vandana Chauhan, who had been mayor of Pune, who was a very educated, cultured woman and good parliamentarian. So every political party should follow this and give chance to women first. So woman first should be the principle.
Thank you.
And in the end, Mr. Chairman, I would quote Hafiz Hoshiarpuri with happiness. मोहब्बत करने वाले कम न होंगे तेरी महफिल में लेकिन हम न होंगे.
Thank you. Thank you, Tripathi ji. We'll be missing you in the house. But you said rightly about beauty. But I just want to add, beauty, if you combine with duty, then the country will become mighty. That has to be understood. Now,